Hey, if you want to give or get a great massage, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes. Today, Tom and I will teach you a new way to feel about yourself with the pressing massage stroke, also known as compression. By the end of this video, you will know how to make yourself feel better fast using your hands and your head. This is the fourth of a 6-part series. It's a learn by doing video, so while you view it, do it. Let's get started. There are 7 strokes to a brilliant massage. Pressing is the fourth. It's the simplest and happiest stroke. It's as easy as pressing anywhere and everywhere on your beautiful body. Massage therapists call this stroke compression. Use your fingers, fists, palms, and elbows anywhere and everywhere on your beautiful body. Pressing sets loose a tsunami of serotonin and endogenous morphine to improve your mood and relieve your pain. Use this stroke for myofascial release to compress your muscles and send flashes of electrochemical energy to every cell in your body. Are you ready to try it? Let's do it. Just follow along with Tom, pressing your fingers into your quadricep muscles like so. Simple enough. Now try varying the intensity of each stroke by pressing harder and softer. Pressing is a versatile stroke you can apply anytime you need to feel better fast. Now that you've mastered the slow press, let's speed it up and see how that feels. Hey, good work. That was fast. Now it's time to take a break and give your feet a treat with a simple foot massage. Stop the video while you take off your shoes and cross your legs. Naked feet are optional, so you can keep your socks on if you like. Follow along with Tamra, pressing both thumbs into the bottom of your foot. Experiment by varying the pressure of each press. Press hard. Now press lightly. Which felt better? Now switch to the top of your foot and press on like Tamra. Continue pressing with 4 fingers from each hand. Now press your thumbs into the side of your foot. And now press with both palms. Okay, get out your fists and impress your foot. Now back to the thumb press. Press faster. Whoa, now slow down. Stop what you're doing, quiet your hands, and breathe. 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 It's time to relax and notice how good you feel. Think about what you learned today. You learned more than just how to press your fingers into your body. You learned a massage stroke to help you feel better fast and change the way you feel about yourself. This is the fourth of a 6-part video series. It's based on the book Self-Massage for Athletes, which introduced a new kind of self-massage. It's not your parents' self-massage, it's self-massage for your whole body. It's not assisted massage like you find in spas, it's do-it-yourself massage. It's active, not passive. It empowers you and teaches you about yourself. It's easy to learn and simple to do. It challenges, stretches, and exercises you. It helps you relieve pain in a new, more effective way. To learn more about this new kind of self-massage, check out our website at selfmassage.com. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below to let us know. And subscribe to feel better fast. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.